Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee decoction with a filter. First, ensure you have fresh, medium-coarse ground coffee, your filter device, and hot water ready. Pre-wetting your filter paper helps remove any papery taste and ensures an even extraction. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious cup, making sure every element is perfect before you begin brewing. Now let's add the coffee. For a standard serving, place 2 to 3 tablespoons of your medium-coarse coffee grounds into the filter. Gently level the coffee bed with a spoon, but avoid pressing or tamping it down. The goal is an even, loose bed for water to flow through, which is crucial for proper extraction and flavor development. Next, we begin the bloom phase. Pour just enough hot water around 200 degrees Fahrenheit to saturate all the coffee grounds. Wait for about 30 seconds. You'll see the coffee expand and bubble, releasing carbon dioxide. This crucial step, called the bloom, prepares the coffee for optimal flavor extraction and ensures a richer, more aromatic decoction. Finally, it's time for the main pour. Slowly and steadily pour the remaining hot water over the coffee in a circular motion, starting from the center and moving outwards. Maintain a consistent flow until all the water has passed through. Below, your rich, concentrated coffee decoction will collect, ready to be mixed into your favorite coffee beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.